Hello everyone. In previous session, we learned what is SQL and types of SQL commands. In types of SQL commands, we already seen DDL commands, DML command and DCL command. Before start today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel. In this session, we learn TCL commands. Commit, rollback and savepoint. These commands comes under TCL commands. TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. A single unit of work in a database is formed after the consecutive execution of commands is known as a transaction. Okay, so TCL commands are commit, rollback, and savepoint. Let's see one by one. Commit. This command is used to save the data permanently. Whenever we perform any of DML commands like insert, delete or update, this can be rollback if the data is not stored permanently. So in order to be at the safer side, commit command is used. In MySQL, by default, auto commit is on. Means whenever you perform DML operations like insert, delete or update, auto commit will be executed automatically. Okay, that's why all the changes will be permanently stored into database. Okay, so syntax commit. Okay, next command is rollback. This command is used to get the data or restore the data to the last save point or last commit state. Okay, according to your requirement, you can roll back the transaction to the different save point. In your transaction, you can create multiple save point. So rollback command is used to roll back up to the save point. Okay, syntax rollback to save point name. Okay, next command is save point. This command is used to save the data at a particular point temporary so that whenever needed can be rolled back to that particular point. Syntax save point name semicolon. Okay, okay. Password is root. Use hr underscore db. HRDB is my database name. Okay. In MySQL, by default, auto commit is on. So we can change auto commit on to off by using set set auto commit equal to 0 or off. Okay, by using set command, set auto commit equal to 0 means you can set auto commit to off. Okay, you can just mention 0 or off. Okay, press enter. Query OK means now you are disable auto commit. Okay, select star from student semicolon enter. Okay, in student table two rows are present. Okay, so we are inserting a new data into table. Okay, by using insert command, insert into student values. So student id is 3, name in single quotation Harsh, age 27. Okay, press enter. So one row will be inserted into student table. Let's see. Select star from student. Okay, okay, here third row will be inserted successfully. But whenever you are logging from new session, then these record will be not present in database. Okay, these record will be inserted temporary into the table. Okay, these record not permanently inserted into your database. I am logging from another MySQL client. Okay, I am logging from another MySQL client root. Okay, use hr underscore db, enter. Okay, let's execute select command. Select star from student. Okay, we are logging from new session. Okay, so here after executing select statement, there are two rows present into database. Means data inserted from previous session will not be permanently inserted into your database. Okay, so if you want to store data permanently into your database, use commit command. Okay, just execute it, commit semicolon, press enter. Okay, now execute select command into another session. Okay, okay, new session. Select star from student, press enter. Here third row will be displayed. It means when you are using commit command, data permanently stored into your database. Okay, whenever you perform DML commands like insert, update or delete, data will be temporarily stored. Okay, if you want to make changes permanently into your database, use commit command. Okay, so next command is rollback. Okay, so we are inserting another row. Insert. So we are inserting new row. Insert into student values. Okay, fourth row student ID 4, name Rahul, age 25. Okay, press enter. Okay, one row will be inserted. Let's check out. Okay, one row will be inserted. Let's check. Select star from student semicolon. Okay, new fourth row will be inserted into your database. Okay, now we are deleting one row from table. Okay, delete from student where stud id equal to 2. Okay, we are deleting second row. Okay, select star from student. Okay, so second row will be deleted. Second row is deleted. Okay, so if you want to roll back or restore data, then you can use rollback command. Okay, just rollback. Okay, if you want to restore data to previous, if you want to restore your data, you can use rollback command, just like undo. Okay, press enter. So execute select command again. Select star from student. Here, okay, only three records will be present in your table. Okay, here we are inserted one row whose student id is 2 will be restored, and fourth row will be removed from table because select star from student. Okay, three rows will be displayed. Okay, fourth row will be removed. It means rollback rollback command restore data up to commit state. Okay, before commit there are three rows will be present. That's why rollback will restore up to three rows only. Okay, fourth row will be removed from your table. Okay, so next command is save point. Okay, so we are creating one save point and save point name sp1 semicolon. Okay, one save point will be created. Let's check data. Select star from student semicolon, enter. Okay, here three rows are present. Now we are inserting one row into your table. Insert. Okay, fourth id 4, name Rahul, age 25. Okay, press enter, query okay. Okay, select query will be execute. Okay, here it will not be permanently store data into your database. Okay, so we are creating another save point sp2 semicolon, enter. Okay, here we are also insert another row. Insert into student values. Okay, id will be 5, id 5, name Mahesh, age 28. Okay, press enter. Okay, so now we okay, so if you want to restore data up to save point sp2, then you can use save point 2. Okay, okay, let's check out data. Before rollback, let's check out data into let's check out data from table. Select star from student. Okay, let's check out data from student. Now we are rollback up to save point sp2. Okay, rollback to sp2. Okay, sp2 is save point 2. Okay, sp2 is name of save point. Okay, press enter, query okay. Now let's check data. Here fifth row will be removed because when you are creating save point 2, that time fifth row will be not present into your database. Okay, it will be restored or undo. Okay, now we are roll back up to save point 1. Okay, query okay. Yes, fourth row will be removed or undo from your database. It means when you are creating save point 1, that time only 3 records are present in your table. That's why fourth row will be removed from table. Okay, if you are perform commit operation, then you cannot roll back. Okay, it means data permanently stored into your database. You can after commit statement you cannot perform rollback operation. If you like today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.